Hello, welcome back to my Java tutorials. I hope you have been enjoying them and such. Today I'm going to be teaching you about if statements and else if and else. So what this does is it kind of tests stuff. Like it tests if something equals that, it will run code. Let me show you. So open up Eclipse. Let me just get rid of this from the last tutorial. Okay, so let's make an integer called let's make an int. Then we'll call it age equals 5. So what we do is, this is how you make an if statement. You do if parentheses age equal less than 13, then brackets. That's how you make an if statement. So what this does, it does if age is less than 13, it will run this code. So what we want to type in is system.out.println you are a baby, you're a kid. So now that we have that, we make an else if statement. So what this does is, if it doesn't equal that, but it equals the one, here, let me just show you. Else if age less than 18, system.print line, you are a teen. Yes. Okay. So what this does is, if age is less than 13, system.out.print line, you are a baby, JK, you are a kid. But if it doesn't do that, and if it's less than 18, it will run this code. It will run this code block. This from this bracket to this. And we can put an else. We can put one more else if statement. Else if age is less than 50, system.out.print line, you are an adult. Then we put an else statement. Else. It looks cooler like this. Put an else statement like this. Else system.out.print line, you are old and about to die. I'm just so nice. Okay, so I am not me. Okay, so what this does is, if age less than 13, if it doesn't equal that, it will skip to the else if statement. If age is less than 18, it will skip to if it's not less than 18, it will skip to this statement. If this is if age isn't less than 15, it will skip to the else statement, and it will just say you are old and about to die. JK, I'm not that mean. And that's how you use if statements and else if statements and else statements. It might seem a little confusing now, but trust me, it's not that bad. Now let's run this. You are a baby, JK, you're a kid. Now if we change this to 16, you are 18, and if we change age to 30, it will say you are a adult right here. And if we change it to 50, you are old and about to die. JK, I'm not that mean. Okay, there's other symbols you can use inside instead of the less than sign. You could do less than or equal to, or like higher than or equal to. You can do equals. You don't put one equal sign, you put two equal sign. So if age equals 13, it will run that code. You are a baby, JK, you're a kid. You can do not equal to. So if it's not equal to 13, it will run that code. Now that's how you test stuff for an integer. It's a little bit more different for strings. Like here, let me show you. String name equals 0, equals Bob. Now if we do if name equals, no, you don't want to put two equals sign. This is you do not want to put that for a string. Put dot equals, then quotes, then put the thing you want it to equal to. So if it equals Bob, system dot out dot print line your name is Bob. Else system dot out dot print line your name is not Bob. Okay, so what this does is if name dot equals Bob, system dot out dot print line your name is Bob, else system dot out dot print line your name is not Bob. Now that's how you I didn't put an else if statement because I'm lazy and I don't want it to test anything else, but let's run this program. Your name is Bob, and if we change it to Bob boss, like boss, your name is not Bob. So that's how you use if statements. I will be teaching you switch statements in the next tutorial. It's kind of like if statements, but it's less code if you're testing a lot of things. So thanks for watching this tutorial. See you later. And I'm not mean.